Oh, yes. Alright, what's up guys? So, I decided that I was going to start to try to lose some weight during this whole coronavirus situation. And so, join me on this journey as we start. Today, we are going to be making, oh my goodness, chicken.
I like fried chicken. Fried chicken.
I'm ready. Are you ready? Let's get tasty. Now to keep this as simple as possible, I'm gonna make a lemon pepper type thing. It's just honestly gonna be soy sauce, lemon, salt, and pepper. That's it. All right, watch. Oh, splashed on my face. And what's the measurements? I don't know. A little bit, a pinch, just honestly a pinch of salt, because we are going to be using soy sauce. Bam. Bam. Red pepper. Granulated onion. Sesame oil. We go get Asian in here, bro. Now we mix. Drink a protein shake. Eat lunch with a baby. Eat lunch with yourself. Watch a service online with your family. Eva's got the nunchucks. Play with some nunchucks. Take a nap. Be impressed by your beginner level cinematography skills. Have a dance party. Learn French. Say je suis une fille. Yeah, je suis une fille. I am a girl. Chase your tail. Glug, 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 some water. Go on a fun run. So it's now time to start the grill. It is up to heat. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Watch it flip. Oh, look at that nice tip. Ooh, flap, 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 flap. That's what Bobby Flay says. Flap, 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 flap. That could be a rap. I'm not even capping, bro. And that is why they call me a gangster.
Fried chicken.
So, one of my boys caught on fire. Look at this boy. It's so sad. I'm probably gonna eat it right now, though. All right, so I opened up my boy. Look at him. Look at that. Ooh, it's so steaming. It's the steaming. Doesn't that look delicious? I don't want to bite into it right now. I'm gonna burn the top of my roof, but the top of my roof. That's crispy on the outside. Definitely juicy on the inside. I got some of the meat. It's a little burnt, so I'm gonna scrape those pieces off, but delicious. Now, because this is a video of me meal prepping, I'm gonna take another video tomorrow of me eating it, and I'll let you know if it's still good. And I guarantee it might be. Guaranteed. And y'all remember, if you want a healthy grill, to use this mamma jamma right here. Let me show you. Watch. Oh, 2, 3, and it's clean.